This how to 1 minute will show you how to embed YouTube video in Blogger website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to embed your YouTube video to your Blogger site. So as you can see, currently I'm in my Blogger site and now I will add a YouTube video to this sidebar. So first of all, I'm going to my Blogger dashboard and clicking on layout. And this is the sidebar where I will add my YouTube video. So I'm clicking on add a gadget. Select HTML JavaScript. And I'm going to write the title here, YouTube. And now go to your YouTube and open the video that you want to embed to your Blogger site. Click on share. Select embed. Now you have to copy this iframe code. So click on copy. Now go to your Blogger dashboard again and here paste the copied iframe code. And that's it. And from here you can change the YouTube video box width and height. And click on save. Once the gadget added, you can change the position by clicking and dragging the widget and click on save. Once it's saved, I'm going to reloading my Blogger site. And as you can see, my YouTube video has been successfully embedded to my Blogger site. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.